Hey guys, welcome back to BushFish'n'Cook. Still need a haircut. Anyway, next time you see me on camera, unless it's one of the videos I've previously recorded, might look like a new guy. Gonna go get a haircut tomorrow. But today, we're going up a few little creeks, me and my mate Joel, and we're gonna chase a few trout. So, let's see how we go. Okay, so I just chucked a worm or a night crawler on. Let's see what happens. Yep, bro, good fish. Yeah, nice little bow. On the night crawler straight away. Didn't even take long at all. Hopefully we can get him up because I want to get him on my camera. It's not big. He hit hard on the worm, like he hit it like a lure. Yep. He's gonna pull out all the stops here in a second, bro. I think he's hooked good, but come down. Coming down. Just need to wet my hand, bro.
So silver.
It's beautiful. Okay guys, so I had to swap to worms, but it was worthwhile. I mean, he's not huge, but he's a nice fish. Beautiful. All right, send him off down here. Downstream. There, mate. Oh, he's on, guys. Missed the bite, but on another worm.
Oh, it's the same one.
Nah, he went down the river. He went into the river, the other one. Look how pink this one is on his cheeks. He's only just pinned too.
He's a nice healthy fish, eh? Look at him.
Hey.
Little male.
Yeah. Look how pretty he is.
Yeah, he's a ripper.
Hey. Settle. We want to get you on the camera, mate. Oh, he bit me.
Mother.
There you go, guys. Another beautiful little trout. See you, mate. Nice graceful release. Yeah.
He's still there.
Yeah, I know. That was a sick eat because he came straight up and ate it off the surface. I wish I had my camera on, but I just thought, it's not going to happen again. Oh, is that a brown? No, not the rainbow. Good though, but he might wear through my leader. He swallowed the worm completely. That's a pretty heavy leader, but
one of these plastic feet.
There we go, guys. Another beautiful rainbow. We might have to do something different and take him home. He swallowed the hook. I think he'll be on size.
Oh, this is a wild one. See how the fins are different shape?
That's what I mean. They breed where people say they don't, and they definitely do, guys, because if you look at this guy's tail, let's show him close up on the camera, you can actually see the funny notches in his tail. Now, that's a wild trout. If he has a smooth tail, they usually come from a farm or stock, and he has engulfed the hook, so Yeah, I think he'll be on size. We'll double check him. And then we'll take him home probably for a catch and cook. Might try something different. Oh. Yeah,
Oh, he's almost off.
Oh.
He's hardly hooked.
Yeah, I just seen that. Wait
It's
up,
in the
guys.
lip.
Bring the camera down. Might let him go if we can.
Oh, it just screen turned off.
Oh, that's alright. The screen will turn off.
Ah.
How did you do that? Now you got off. Clever. Oh, the water just picked up heaps. Oh, there we go.
Oh, he's off.
He's already gone. There you go.
Hello. Not too bad. Michael's caught 5 trout and I've lost 2. We're just pulling in a big one now. It's like 40 something.
There we go.
That's a good fish. Yeah, that's a 40 centimeter.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's happening anyway? Yeah, I'll give you a call when I leave.
There you go, guys. The biggest trout of the day. Nice big silver bow. Beautiful. If any background noise, it's alright. Just a phone call. Never used them before, and Joel has these power bait trout eggs, so I thought I'd give one a go. Oh yeah? And it's working. Bro, he came straight for it. Yep. And then he backed off and didn't want it. Okay, I'm gonna leave this trout egg on, guys. I'm gonna put a sinker on, put it on the bottom and see what happens. Okay, so having never used this, now I'll put a sinker rig on. Just gonna see what happens. Very interested. Definitely one of the coolest spots I've ever caught trout. I knew they were here. I told a few of yous on my channel. Some of yous come up and had an attempt. I think the best way still has to be free baiting worms. If they won't go for anything else, that's definitely got them going. 5, I believe I caught today. I'm not 100% sure. 4 or 5?
5 or 6.
5 or 6, Joel reckons. Maybe 8 or 9. Joel just changed lure. Good chance he's gonna catch a fish. Every time he's changed lure, he's hooked a fish today. No joke, pretty much first cast, every time changing lure, he's hooked a fish. But they don't like to stay on. That was a bite on the power bait. Oh, I found that snag. How good. Yeah. Yep. Guys, I just caught an eel. I believe it's an eel. Yeah.
No, it's a trout, dude.
If that's a... No, look at it.
Oh, it is an eel.
Oh, gosh. Guys, I don't have the line for this. I'm on my trout gear. And he's just saying, no, thank you. We'll just slowly walk him down here and I'll see if I can get him out, but I highly doubt it. He is a big eel for this gear. Guys, this eel is just like, he's just swimming in the spot and I don't have the strength with this line to move it. Come on. He is way too big for my trout gear. Not what I wanted to hook at all. Get out of there. He's in the cave. He's out. He's out. He's not even that big, but on this gear he feels huge. Oh, he's rubbing my leader on the rock so bad.
Take him down further, you'll be able to.
Well, I landed him. What a pain. He swallowed my hook. You bugger. See if I can see it and get it back out. Oh, I can. You're on. Yay! That's a good one. Finally. You better land that. Get in the water. He's got his waders on. I'm like, hop in. Yeah. In the stream too, bro. That's the first one I've ever seen out of there. Wow, that's a good one. You won't be able to see it, but he'll walk up here with him. Might as well bring him up if he... Oh, he's gone. Oh, no, still up. Yeah, no, that's a good fish. Oh, he's a cracker.
He's big, man.
What's your PB, Rainbow?
52.
He'd be up there. Little less, 45.
Probably 40 something.
But he's mad. Good fish. Ah, Joel got the waders on, walked downstream, went into the creek, and it was worth it. Have a go at this guy. He's stocky too.
Oh.
Jeez, he's solid.
Yeah, man.
That's a hectic bow. Male?
Yeah, pointy head.
Yeah. Wow. What a fish, guys.
Yeah.
There you go. The lure pays off. Catches the bigger ones, it seems. How big did Joel's fish actually go? Oh, I thought he was going to be bigger, but he's pretty much 43, just off it.
42.
We'll give him a 42 then.
42 and a half.
Move your hands for a second. If you can, if he doesn't go away. Well, I got one here on blade last time, so I'm trying it again. Got my blade here that I attached a spinner to. The spinner actually came off another blade that I had. Hadn't really seen a spinner on a blade before, but this does do the trick. I hooked a trout on this. Good thing about this is it goes nice and deep. Very. Stand just up here, get a nice long cast in. Yep, on the blade. Yes, on the blade. I don't know if we're going to keep this guy on. I'm worried about that. Still fighting. I told you that the blades catch him, guys. Hopefully he stays on. Yes. There we go. On the blade. Green and gold blade. Does the trick. Settle, settle, settle. Settle. There you go, guys. On the blade. Alright, got a small little ball sinker, 2 powerbait eggs, and I'm just going to leave them out there until Joel gets back down here. Guys, last one to finish the day, hopefully if he stays on. A little rainbow just picked up the trout egg. Something I really didn't have much faith in. Oh, look how cute he is. Hello, cutie. Say hello, Joel.
Hello.
Coming to see your fish. Bit of a long day, as you can see. Sun's slowly starting to go down. We got a fair few trout between us. I think I got 6 or 7 trout even, and Joel ended up getting 4 altogether. We didn't show all of his because we did separate throughout the day and go our own way. But anyway, we'll call that the end of the day there, guys. Thanks heaps for watching. Catch you all next time. Say see you, Joel.